Top of the afternoon to y'all. Today on Wagtail Wednesday, we have a window cleaners meet series. And I want you to put your hands together and welcome Raheem. He has 5-6 years in the business. And I saw him struggling on some windows. And I couldn't sit by and, it was hurting my eyes to see him do this. He had about a 5-inch deep ledge, and he was pulling windows on the top. He was cross-pulling. He had no kind of technique. He left water from where he first started his cross-pull and closed off. He was missing the window. He was missing all that water because the ledge is so deep, and he doesn't have the right tool for that type of window. So he has the Tory swivel and wide body super channel, but on deep ledges, it's just not that efficient. And not to mention, he didn't even put a rag on the pole and try and clean it up. He left it there. So I pretended not to say anything about it. But he mentioned it to me in the video. And I said, yeah, but no one's really going to be looking for that. I said, they got to really be looking for it to see that. You know, we know it's there. I was just trying to humor him, and basically. I didn't really want to tell him, man, that's not how you do it. So I wanted to show him some tools that's going to make his job easier and make it more efficient, and he can keep getting up. So take a look at this picture right where he's side pulling and he's leaving all that water behind. I'm going to draw a circle and an arrow. And it's on every single window on the top. And he left all that water from where he started at, all the way down from the top to the bottom. It's cleaner, but if you look around the edges, it's going to be dried nastiness. That's all it's going to be, dried nastiness. So, I really, it's a shame that company he's doing is getting a lousy job. I don't know how much he's charging. I didn't get into all that, but you're more than welcome to take a look at the video. He seems interested in the tools, and he asked me for my card, so I think he wants to get one of the Wagtails because he sees the potential in it. He's just got to take the next step of actually getting it and then learning how to use it. I'll take him out and show him how to use it. That's the least I can do, you know. But, all right. Take a look at the video, and I'll see you in the next one. What's going on, brother? What's going on, brother?
How you doing?
You work for yourself or for the place? Oh, yeah? What's your name?
Raheem.
Raheem, I'm Marcus. How long you been doing it?
Yeah. I got about 5, 6 here.
Oh, yeah?
5, 6 here.
Is this all you do, or
No,
or you do house residential too?
Yeah, I do everything.
Oh yeah, you like me.
Yeah, I do everything.
I see you. I see what tools you working with.
Yeah.
You got that big boy, man.
Yeah,
Super
that big
channel.
boy, shit.
That shit save you time,
Yeah,
boy.
man, you come right on down.
Yeah.
No problem at all.
I want to show you some time saver tools. If you try and stick and move, this right here I built. But I'm gonna show you my other tools, my other latest tools is in the car. But this, and it keeps on going. It has continuous glide. This is especially
so what, you got
for
the
like
stuff
hot
inside
days.
there?
Yeah, you just squirt some solution on there, and then you can, like, let's say this is like a maintenance tool. Let's say you got windows up high, right? Let's say you got windows up high, right?
Yeah.
Ain't no fingerprints up there.
Yeah.
We all know that.
Yeah.
It's just maybe like a little bit of a film from the vents.
Yeah.
Or maybe like some light dust.
Mm-hmm.
You just squirt a little bit of water on this pad. You ain't even got to scrub the window in. Just squeegee it off. It's enough to clean the whole window.
So let me feel it.
It's called a Wagtail. They made it in Australia.
Shaving that window.
You cleaned it already? Let's say you on the inside. So all you do is go like that, right?
And you know, all that water coming down.
Yeah. As it's squeezing it off, it's getting right back on the pad.
Yeah.
But in addition to that, it's minimizing the cleanup at the end.
Yeah, I see
You know what I mean? And then you just take it and cross pull it to the side. Bam! See, you can close off on any deep ledge with this because the pivot is on the top.
Okay,
and this
no,
is flat.
Yeah, because I like how this slides.
It swivels.
And it
so you
swivels.
could do the arc windows without getting up on ladders, those round windows.
Yeah.
Now this,
I'm
going to show you this. This is what I built. I went to Home Depot, right? This is like 3 months ago. I went to Home Depot, bought one of these sprayers.
Yeah.
Now, I know you may think, damn, that's not a lot of water.
Yeah.
But I kid you not. I can clean 206 of these windows with just this fill up before I need to fill this up
You
again.
put water and soap in it, right?
Yeah, my ammonia, I use full crystal. I don't use Dawn anymore. But it stays pressure-wise.
I use crystal. I use
full crystal.
Dawn, what's that? Ammonia, water, and probably put a little Windex in there.
Okay, yeah. I use distilled water, but that's like reverse osmosis water.
Yeah.
But this, I built, you hook up the hose, right? And it doesn't even matter if you're going up to the 3rd floor. Let's say you ain't got your man, right?
Yeah.
And you want to be able to wet the windows and squeegee all at once. So what you do is, see, I got this. This is a flow control valve. Hold on. Let me pump this up because I was doing some work with it. All right. So I'm using this by hand, but if I didn't have this and it was all the way up, I just yank on the cord.
Okay.
But you see, hold on. All right, so just go like this, right? Yank on the cord, and you got water feed continuously. And you just flip it back, just like that.
Okay.
Like that, right?
Yeah.
That shit nice.
Yeah.
You can stick and move and keep going.
Keep it going.
You could bust out this whole top row with this mop. Yeah, instead of dipping, you're saving time.
Yeah.
I mean, you're only talking about what, 5 or 6 seconds a window.
Yeah.
But if you got a whole row of window, those seconds add up to minutes.
Yeah.
And if you're doing like 10 or 12 jobs, you gotta figure 7-10 minutes per job. You talking about a whole hour or 2 hours by the end of the day. You feel me?
Yeah.
Yep. I mean,
You got a card on you?
yeah, actually I do. Yeah, if you wanna contact me later on, I can either help